Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Kiit Wi-Fi. First, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for the network named Kiit Wi-Fi. Once you find it, select it to begin the connection process. You'll then need to choose the EAP method for authentication. Have your Kiit registration number and password ready, as you'll need them shortly to complete the setup. Now let's configure the authentication settings correctly. For the EAP method, please select PEEP. This ensures a secure connection. Next, for Phase 2 authentication, you'll need to choose MSHAP2. It's important to leave the CA certificate field as Do Not Validate or None to proceed smoothly. These specific settings are crucial for a successful connection to the Kiit network. With the authentication method set, it's time to enter your personal credentials. In the Identity field, type your full Kiit registration number. This acts as your username. Then, in the Password field, carefully enter your unique Kiit password. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any login issues. Finally, ensure that the Anonymous Identity field is left completely blank before moving on. You're almost there. After entering all your details, simply click the Connect button. Your device should now attempt to establish a connection with the Kiit Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you should see Kiit Wi-Fi listed as your active network. If you encounter any difficulties or cannot connect, please reach out to the Kiit IT support team for further assistance. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.